Is Google Chrome eating your RAM and slowing down your PC? Here is a real performance fix that will speed up Chrome instantly, and it is 100% safe, simple and working. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome and at the top right corner, click on the three dots and then go to Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will see a window like this, and here we need to go to System. Now turn off the option that says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This one switch instantly free up memories and optimize Chrome performance. So I'll just turn it off now. Now we need to disable this as well. Use hardware acceleration when available. This stops Chrome from overloading your GPU and makes your browsing smoother and safer. So here it is done. Now the final thing, that's a bonus tip. Click on the three dots and then we are looking for extensions and click on manage extensions. Now remove the extensions you do not use. Fewer extensions means better speed and stability, and that's it. You just have stopped Chrome from using too much RAM and it has made your PC faster, lighter and optimized for performance. If this real working fix helped you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.